Okay, one thing that I've always mentioned and you've always heard from other teachers is that with English, there are exceptions to the rules. Now, we know that there's a rule that soft G is pronounced with words that the vowels I or E will follow the G. But these are the exceptions. It's not a soft G, it's a hard G. So let's look at how they sound with an American pronunciation. Tiger, tiger, get, get, girl, girl, gift, gift, gear, gear, gecko, gecko. These are examples of the hard G sound on words that have an I or an E that follows the G.